viewers, thanks for joining us. I'm Michelle Froese, Senior Editor of Windpower Engineering and Development magazine, and we're at AWEA's Windpower 2018 in Chicago. Today we're at Hydac's booth with Mike Erickson. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
He is the Wind Marketing Manager for Hydac. So Mike, today we were going to talk about upgrades to wind turbine components. Please share a little bit about what Hydac has in terms of products for upgrades.
Hydac has a standard filter that came out, the size 1300, and that can last up to a year. Maybe perhaps the customer wants a filter to last longer. We can get them up to the next size by just changing this tube. You simply remove the lid, then you can get to the 2200 size or the 2600 size, and that's notified by these two lines: standard, mid-size, large.
If a customer wanted to add a Hydac filter into an existing system, is that possible, and how would they go about doing that?
Yes, we have what's called an NF filter kit that you can put on any system and get your filter back to Hydac. So if a competitor puts a filter system in a turbine, we can definitely put this kit on, the hoses will reach, and now you can have all Hydac filters.
Makes sense. That sounds great. Thanks, Mike. So if viewers would like to learn more, where can they go?
You can visit our website at hydac-na.com.
Excellent. Thanks for your time today, Mike. Thank you, viewers, for watching. This is Michelle Froese for Windpower Engineering and Development.